Are you getting this error message in Zoom application in your PC? If yes, then watch this video till the end, because I am going to give you the best solution. So in 3 steps I am going to give you the solution. The first step is to uninstall Zoom completely from your system. For this you need to go to the control panel in your system, and in control panel you will find this option to uninstall Zoom application. Click on uninstall a program. So scroll down and find Zoom application here. So this is the Zoom workplace. Just select on this and there is an option of uninstall. Just tap on uninstall to completely uninstall Zoom from your system. The step number 2 is to delete the registry key of Zoom, because sometimes in backup it remains. So press Windows and R, and here you type regedit. I will give you these steps in the video description as well, so check the description of this video to find these steps. So this is the registry key, and after opening the registry key you need to go to this command, computer h key class root installer products. So I will give you this command in the description as well, so check the description. So herein you need to find Zoom, all the Zoom related commands. So this is a Zoom, you can see all, you can see 5-6 Zoom keys. You just need to right click on this and click on this delete option for all of them. Zoom meeting, Zoom, for everything you need to click on delete. So delete this Zoom call as well. So delete everything, like you can select them, and you can just delete them one by one. So make sure to delete them and just click on this and click on delete in front of Zoom. After deleting all the keys you need to download Zoom again from its official website. Sure to go to the official website only to download Zoom. So this is the official website, zoom.es. You can download it for Windows, Mac, anyone. Simply press on this and you can download it from here. So after downloading it, now you can log in and check whether it is working for you or not. Simply click on 64-bit or 32-bit, whatever you have, and after downloading it you can simply open Zoom application in your system and see whether it is working for you or not. So I tried these steps before making this video, and it is now working fine for me, and I am not getting any error, and now I am using the updated version of Zoom, and I am not facing any problem now on Zoom application. So you can see as well it is opening up for me, and Zoom is now working perfectly fine for me. It is my personal experience. You can see this is the latest version. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it, and if you still face any problem you are free to comment and make sure to reply you back. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.